This is the smartphone Vivo. Hello everyone, this is the smartphone Vivo that broken the front glass. Yeah, now we need to replace the new one. This is the new touch screen, yes. And then we try to laminate. This is the broken, and we replace with the good one. This is the battery connector, and this the battery connector pull out sticker. This is the LCD connector, and this is the touchscreen connector. Yes. Yeah, we pull out like this, and this is the new one. And now we separate this LCD from the broken glass. Yeah, this is the separator machine. It has this is the power switch backside, and this is the controller. We can set the controller to about 65 Celsius. Don't over 65, it will destroy the LCD reflector. Yeah, now I set 65. Yes. After that, we wait the temperature reach 65 degrees Celsius. Then we put the LCD on the tray of separator, then press the switch to absorb. Yes. Now the air absorb the LCD to the separate tray. Yes. And this is the stainless wire we used to cut the OCA from the LCD. Push down and pull forward, and then run to cut like this. Wow, it cut off. It frequently cut off the wire. That is the natural. Yes, it will cut again. Slowly and gently. Yes. Now it cut 3 times. Yes, it cut 4 times. It cut 5 times. Nothing that perfect. We try and try. Everything not perfect. Yes, now ready. We will take off. Yes, this is the touch screen that has been broken, so we no need it. Pull it and throw it away. Yes. After that, we turn off the temperature. Yeah, now I make it to down temperature. This separate machine no turn off the temperature, so we can down the temperature to about to low. Yes, low density. Yeah, now it is 16. Then I press enter. After that, we put the LCD, yes, on the separate machine and press observe again. Yeah, now this is the motor for remove the OCA from the glass. Yes, like this. This very easy when we use the motor. It is very pattern because it is very small and need to careful. Make money is like ditching with the pin, and pay money like through the water on the sand. Pay is busy, then earn. Then we need to clean. With the liquid, yes. Then this is the water that we need to clean it. This is the new clothes that we bought from China. Everything from China, even is the clothes. The clothes for cleaning. Even if the cleaning clothes. Oh boy. Yeah, then we run to laminate. This is the laminator machine that I bought it from China. This is the laminator machine cover. and then this is the tray នេះឆ្លោះទឹកឬមានទឹកយកទៅឆ្លោះមកមើលនេះមានទឹកទៅដូចតែជៀនម្សៅឯហ្នឹងទឹកឯងខ្ញុំអានឹងតដោះជូតដោះលៀងទាំងអស់តនោះអស់5រៀលដោះលៀងទាំងអស់បណ្ដោយទៅតែមានដូចមានតែនៅប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងនៅកន្លែងផ្សេងទៀតអានោះលៀងអស់5រៀលនេះណាអាទឹក5រៀលចានេះអស់5 10បាត់ដូរតលែនទៅ10រៀលណាដូរតលែនទៅ10រៀលដូរទាំងអស់5 10អានោះលៀងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឯងវានេះគ្រប់កន្លែងនេះវាចូលដល់គេអូនតម្លៃស្តង់ដារតម្លៃហ៎ចាំបាទខ្ញុំមិនដោះចុះទៅទៅឡើងចង់ឲ្យចុះតាមមិនស្រួលតែនេះដោះញ៉ៃពុយប្រាប់ទៅទីចេញយ៉ាងយកទៅសាកសិនថាឲ្យដោះលៀងឲ្យគាត់ឲ្យអស់តែទាំងពីរចូលទឹកទាំងពីរណែចូលទឹកទាំងពីរចាំវាទៅទេណែអត់សកតអានឹងឬមិនស្កតបន្តិចទៅយូរនេះមិនទៅយូរខ្ញុំចង់នេះដែរថាបើកចេញដែរវាអត់ត្រូវ power វានេះមិនយូរមែនទេប៉ុន្តែដូចថាវាអត់ដិត power អីវាកលតែលើកលគាត់សេភ្លើងនេះខ្សែវានៅក្រោមយកអីទេមែនទេខ្សែវាមកជាងនេះទៅខ្សែវាមកលើជាងជាកន្លែងមានអីហ្នឹងឯងចឹងអត់ត្រូវខ្ញុំធ្វើអាវលិចនឹងតន់ហើយអត់ខ្សែមានយកអីមកជំនួសបានទេអត់តខ្សែឯណារូបញយមែនញយទៀតចេញតែយូរចេញចំយូរទៀតណានេះចេញញ៉ាញ់អត់ទៅ Yes, it is very new after we laminate it. Em bày tối nó mình screen bật lắm. Screen មានតែ M700 នៅមើលប្រឡោះនោះមានតែ Yes, working very perfect. Yeah, very good.